Larry Hoover is home with his family. Big Meech is now home with his family. Robert Kelly is now home with his family. Larry Hoover was released from prison. Big Meech was released from prison. Robert Kelly was released from prison. Larry Hoover is home with his family.
Larry Hoover is coming home a changed man. Big Meech is coming home a changed man. Robert Kelly is coming home a changed me. The Holy Spirit is freeing Larry Hoover right now. The Holy Spirit is freeing Big Meech right now. The Holy Spirit is freeing Robert Kelly right now. Larry Hoover is coming home a changed man. Big Meech is coming home a changed man. Robert Kelly is coming home a changed me. The Holy Spirit is freeing Larry Hoover right now. The Holy Spirit is freeing Big Meech right now. The Holy Spirit is freeing Robert Kelly right now. Larry Hoover is coming home a changed man. Big Meech is coming home a changed man. Robert Kelly is coming home a changed me. The Holy Spirit is freeing Larry Hoover right now. The Larry Hoover is coming home a changed now. The Holy Spirit is coming home a changed man. Robert Kelly is coming home a changed me. The Holy Spirit is freeing Larry Hoover right now. The Holy Spirit is freeing Big Meech right now. The Holy Spirit is freeing Robert Kelly right now. Larry Hoover is coming home a changed man. Big Meech is coming home a changed man. Robert Kelly is coming home a changed me. The Holy Spirit is freeing Larry Hoover right now. The